In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on or enable two-factor authentication on your EA account. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google. Then in search, you want to type in EA account and search. From here, we're going to select the link at the top, and that's going to bring us to the EA homepage. Now from here, you want to select the profile icon in the top right corner, and then you want to select sign in. Now that's going to bring you to this page where you can sign into your EA account with one of the gaming platforms above, or you can sign in with your phone or email right here. Now once you're signed in, it'll bring you back to the home page, so select the profile icon again in the top right corner, and then select account settings. Now once you're on this page, if you have a look on the right side, you'll see manage 2FA settings, so we're going to click on it. And then you'll see two-factor authentication, which is currently disabled, so we're going to select the arrow on the right beside it. Now once you verify your identity, if you scroll down on this page, you'll see two-factor authentication, and we're going to select turn on. Now when you select turn on, it'll bring you to this next page where you can use your email address, an authenticator app, or a text message to your phone to set up two-factor authentication. So select which one that you'd like to use. Me personally, I like to use my email address, so I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to select send code in the bottom right. Now once you retrieve that code and verify it's you'll see my two-factor authentication is in fact verified. And be sure to save your backup codes in case you lose access to your 2FA. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.